In this practical example we will model a 3-seater sofa. Open the available file and let's get started. We trigger Mesh Privy options and make some settings for length, width and height, setting the mesh options for the Meshbox command. For length we enter 11. For width we enter 4. In height we type 1 and click OK. Now let's model the seat for the couch. We fire Meshbox, randomly click on the graphic area, type at 110,40,10 and press enter to confirm. We trigger Mesh Extrude, click on the subfaces to be extruded and hit enter to confirm. For the height we type 20 and press enter to confirm and exit the command. Next, we'll model the backrest of the couch. We trigger Mesh Extrude, click on the subfaces to be extruded and hit enter to confirm. For the height we type 40 and press enter to confirm and exit the command. Look, we have the backrest and armrests of our couch. Now we're going to create the sofa cushions, then we're going to call Meshbox and we're going to create a box. We inform the starting point with a click of the mouse. We type at 30,30,10 and confirm by typing enter. Look, we have one of the pillows and we're going to create 2 copies. We trigger copy, select the object to be copied and hit enter. We inform the base point and destination point for the copies. Look, we've got the pillows completed. In the sequence, we will make the feet to the couch. With the command orbit, we position it in such a way as to visualize the underside of the sofa, making it easy to select the subfaces. We select the subfaces and extrude with a height of 10. Look at the result, we have the couch feet extruded. We need to smooth the mesh to get a more realistic look. Without active command, we select the object and right-click the mouse. We select the Smooth More option. We press enter a few times to repeat the command and increase the degree of smoothness of the mesh. See the result, we have our sofa completed, with the smooth mesh at level 4, which is the highest degree of smoothing allowed by AutoCAD. In this practical example we model a 3-seater sofa with knitwear.